Browsing the internet can be quite dangerous. You must be careful with websites you visit, files you download, and of course, passwords you enter. Someone out there can always be watching, or even worse, steal your personal information. So every time you open your laptop, you have to make sure that your identity and privacy are protected. Well, now you can let Defencebyte take care of all that. Defencebyte takes your online privacy to the next level with help of its new lightweight product, Privacy Shield. Privacy Shield will automatically clean all your activities track records, internet browsing history, or chat archives. It also helps you protect your passwords on all popular browsers and seamlessly schedule a cleaning at a convenient time via a user-friendly interface. Don't let the online snoopers access your personal data. To get a discount for your Privacy Shield or to try it for free today, visit www.defencebyte.com.